See if we can figure out why this Taurus G2C is so inexpensive. There's got to be a reason, so let's give it a little look. Make sure it's clear first. First thing I'll do is I'll check the magazine. It ejects out of there beautifully. A lot of force. It's a slick quality magazine. It comes with two of them, holds 12 rounds. It says it's made in Brazil. You know, for the size of this, holding 12 rounds, people make big deal out of other guns that hold that many. And this is an impressive amount of capacity for how small it is. It's got a yellow follower. So the magazine's good. Let's look at the texturing on the frame. It's really good. It feels good in your hand. It's grippy without being too grippy. Place to index your finger, place to rest your thumb. It seems well thought out, well designed. It's got a trigger safety like a Glock would. And see what the reset is. It's an audible reset. Seems like a decent reset. It's got a double strike capability, so if it doesn't go bang once, you don't want to tap rack bang, you can try and bang again. It's got a manual safety. Some people do like those, some people don't, but it's a feature that you're getting on the gun. Sights adjustable on the rear, fixed on the front. They're plastic, but so is Glock. You got a place to put a light or a laser on it. I'm just still trying to figure out how this gun is so cheap. Let's take it down, put the safety down first. Takes down just like a Glock or many other striker fired type of pistols in this category. Let's look at the frame. I mean, I'm not seeing any poor fit and finish. It looks quality built, good manufacturing. Let's look at the slide. Double recoil captive guide rod and spring there. It is made of plastic, but I've never heard of any issues of failures on those. There's your barrel, stainless steel. Seems like, I don't know why it's not coated, but it's got polished feed ramp there that looks pretty. Never had issues with feeding any ammo out of this thing. So let's look at the, I'm not going to take the striker out right now, but I've never heard of any issues with the striker. Seems like a good design, and I think the primer drag's acceptable, and seems like there's no complaints there. Got a loaded chamber indicator. Like I said, this is just a really feature-rich pistol, and I'm just not finding out why it's so cheap. Right here, the finish looks good. It says, let's put it back together first. Reassembles like any other gun. The tolerances are great. It's a well-made pistol, and I don't know why or how they sell them for so cheap. Like I said, let's do a little function check here. Everything works good, and you just don't really hear a lot of negative about these things. If you're from another planet, you came down and said which gun's the cheapest, I don't think you'd be predicting that this one was a couple $100 gun. It says made in Brazil right there, and on the other side is Miami, Florida, so I think they have a factory there as well. And I don't know, what do you think? The grip feels good, fills your hand. It's a really good size for concealed carry. I wish I could get a little higher on it, but it's slim and comfortable. And comment below if you know why. Just because it says Taurus on it and people are prone to marketing, I don't know, but it seems like a lot of bang for your buck with this little pistol.